Hello everybody, my name is Anders and I want to show you how to make free beats using iPhones. So anybody who has a mobile device, got an iPhone laying around, even an iPad, you can download a free application called Blocks Wave and start making music within minutes. Stay tuned and I'll show you how it works.
Okay, so basically all you got to do is go to your applications, and in the top part of the screen you're going to see 8 different slots where you can put each of your different elements into your drums, melodic elements, effects, percussion, bass. And so each of these different loops, when you click on one of these hexagons, you're going to be able to scroll through different styles of loops, so different types of drum beats. And when you find one that you like, you simply just let it play out and make sure that it sounds good to you. And if it sounds good to you, you can click on one of the next blocks and scroll to your next element. So let me try melodic here. Once again, if you tap on the hexagon, you get different melodic types of sounds. So if I want to do something different and I want to go back, you can click the undo button. So I went back to this type of siren sound, which sounds pretty cool and energized. So I'm going to stay with that, and I'm going to tap on my next block at the top and go down to bass. I'll tap on a few of these different bass lines and see what sounds good. That one actually works pretty well. Sometimes the first one works really well, but it's good to scroll through and find something that you like. Interesting. Okay. I'm getting close, but I'm still going to keep tapping and find something that sounds good. So I've got my drums, I got my melodic element, I've got a bass line now, and I recommend you just basically fill 6, minimum 5, somewhere between 5 to 8 of these blocks. Because if you fill all of the blocks, I'll show you another step, which is really cool when you're building your beats and adding more music. So now I'm scrolling through the vocal samples. I'm gonna find something that hopefully adds to the beat, doesn't take away from what we already have. Sometimes less is more. And last, I'm going to add some effects. Once again, I'm just finding elements that sound good together. It doesn't have to be perfect. And when you move on from this section, I can show you how to build an intro to your beat and then a drop, which is what we're going to get to in a little bit. All right, so I stopped it there with the play button at the top. And when you stop it, you can play it again. But what I'm going to do is build each section. So if you hold down at the top part where the drums, melodic, the bass, that section is, you can copy it and then you can paste it. So I'm tapping at the very, very top part where the different sections are, and you can see it says number 1. And if you scroll to the other one, you've got number 2. But you copy and you can paste, you can delete. So I'm going to move some of these to the other folder. I'm pasting that one. And I'm going to paste the bass, melodic, and the drums for the drop. I'm going to take the percussion as well to the second section. And I'm going to also copy the vocal and drop it over to the second section. And do the same thing for the effects. And once you do that, you're able to delete some of the other elements that were there before. So I'm trying to create a less crowded, a more simple intro, and then when the drop happens in the second section, it'll have everything combined. So here's the intro. And there's the second section with the drop. And there you have it. Basically, we have our intro section, and then we have our drop, which came from collecting all the sounds we liked in the first section.
So that's basically an overview of the program. Get your different sections set out, start getting inspired, start writing down some lyrics, and be ready to record. All right, take care. Stay tuned for next time.